See, it's running on solar, DC power, right? Yeah. Hang on, I'm just doing a video, babe. So it's running on solar, see? DC power, right? See, the solar's lit up. All right, not AC, solar, power from solar, right? Look how overcast this is. It's raining. It's raining. There's no sun out here. None. Zero. Look. Look. Huh? For those who want to doubt me, have a look. Do you see a sun? Do you see the sun? None. Right? Look. Do you see the sun? Now, it's starting to rain harder. Okay, now let's go back inside again. Here it comes. Power from solar. Okay, those who are doubters, that's a good hot water system. And look at it. It's almost starting to rain hard now. Look at that. 100% overcast. Complete cloud cover. Complete. Alright, I'll quickly go on over here so you know. Look at that. 100% cloud cover. And we're back, 10:42 or 44 or 45 now. Now I'm looking at the seconds. 10:43. Okay, look, the DC's actually gone up to 1 kilowatt. Had a shower, use a dishwasher. Okay, any sun yet? So been 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 10:45, and look, it's actually started raining a little bit more drizzle. Again, no sun, none. And we're back. $11:52. Sorry, the timer on my phone is in the way of the. There we go. 11:53. My eyes aren't that good either. DC's gone up. Solar, still running on solar. It's holding its temperature. 2 showers, 1 dishwasher, and 0 sun all day. Let's go outside again. Oop, it's raining a little bit too, it's spitting. And what do we see? No sun. This cloud settled in all day, and just so you guys know, my solar panels are on the other side. I just, you know, I try to keep things positive. There's my solar panels, as you can see. And you know, there ain't no sun. It's all day. There's been complete colour, complete overcast, cloudy day. I just, you know, I try to help people out, okay, and people who want to buy a solar system, But if you hook up a solar system, you spend thousands of dollars on a solar system, and you don't upgrade your hot water system, your hot water system's 5, 6, 7 years old, and it's kind of pointless. That's all I was trying to get across. Okay, this hot water system, yeah, it's expensive, but it's paying for itself. Like on days today, and it does work. When the sun is not shining. And I'm talking about the hot water system here. I'm not talking about flicking on a light or anything like that. I'm talking about my hot water system. An old hot water system drops a couple of degrees in temperature and then it wants power from the grid to reheat itself. This one doesn't. It'll drop down to 63 degrees before it kicks into the grid. So it's got another 7 degrees to go, and 2 showers and a dishwasher today. We could have a shower for the next 7 days, and it might drop down to 65. We're back. Well, it's 1:30 now. Still on solar, and it's gone. The DC's gone up to 2.3. All day complete cloud cover. Okay, and actually I've just noticed that the temperature's gone up too. This is how good this hot water system is. Let's go outside just to prove no sun all day. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and show you just how good this hot water system is tonight. Okay, when it's complete darkness. It's a complete cloudy, overcast day, no sun all day, and my hot water system has actually gone up 2 degrees and using no power from the grid. $4.45. As you can see, the DC's gone up 3.2, and even the water temp has gone up 74. So it's a whole day. It's now been since I first recorded my first one at AM. It's now been 8 hours, 0 sunlight, cloudy all day. I've used no power on this hot water system. So finally the solar, it's not using solar anymore. It's just on the grid, but it's not using power from the grid. Right, see if it's power from. So if it's either solar, as you can see before, or it's AC. If it's AC, it means it's from the grid. So it's using power, nothing, no power. Doesn't need to. 73 degrees. It actually went up another degree. No, sorry, it dropped 1 degree. Okay, and there it goes. Okay, so now the solar is completely switched off for the night. Okay, that was the solar just switching off, the inverter. I timed that perfectly. So as you can see now, solar's off, and it's still not needing power from the grid. Power from, and that'll go all night, so I'll just check back when it's completely dark.